So what year is this?
1909.
And how many horsepower?
6, I think. Don't really know exactly just yet, but it's not us.
Flutter?
No.
There's muscles? What in the hell?
I was hoping you'd have it started by the time I walked over.
Not in yet. It is. It's a hybrid. It's half manpower.
It's one manpower.
Yeah. It's willpower. Willpower. Short lived.
Smoking.
It's loaded.
You guys all rolled up, Dad?
So, is it on mag now?
No, it's still on the battery.
Okay. How much time? Yeah, I saw that face.
You had to make all brand new bearings from the side kit.
That's why they look so pretty.
And the government.
I tell you what, I love it.
This thing wore out, man.
It was worth it. I know you said $1 million, but when I win it, you'll be the first store I'll be beating on to buy an engine. I mean, how much does it weigh? To me, I think I could manage that. I could winch it and drag it. No?
1,000 pounds?
Yeah. See, that's manageable.
Yeah. Maybe 800. Kind of hard to know.
Is it very side heavy with the flywheel? Okay.
A little bit. I mean, he built it to where it kind of goes underneath the flywheel where it's kind of supported, but
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing.
This particular configuration, you could buy it with a hopper, water cool, or with a plate, to where you would run a external type system.
So then that is their logo. So they just put their logo
Yeah.
on them, and then this is the actual tag.
Yeah, that's actually.
So they didn't horsepower rate them.
They are, but I haven't been able to find enough information.
Yeah, it was a licensing.
Yeah, the Deutz-OTTO thing was a licensing.
They usually don't have that much.
Yeah, it's still enough to make you jump a little bit. That's all.
Yeah, it's all hard, just surprising you.
Yeah.